Imagine a Bolivian wedding, where old traditions and lively fun come together. It's not just two people getting married, but a party that brings families and whole communities closer. Marriage here is a special promise, built on Andean and Catholic roots. The air is full of music, laughter, and special ways of doing things that have been passed down for many years. Every little detail, from the food to the music, means something important. Getting ready for marriage starts long before the wedding day, with families sharing their hopes and dreams. The community helps a lot, giving food, music, and good wishes. A Bolivian wedding is a public way to show love, often lasting for days, with lots of dancing and eating. The ways things are done might be different in different places, but the main ideas, family, community, and respecting old ways, stay the same. These parties remind us who we are as a culture and how we are connected. Come with us as we look at how people get ready, the special things they do, and the lively spirit of a traditional Bolivian wedding. Find out how this event is more than just a party. It's a living way to show our history and soul. It's a story of love, written in the heart of the Andes Mountains. The journey starts with the sirwenaku, a kind of trial marriage from Andean tradition. The couple lives together, learning to share duties and build a life. Both families watch, making sure the marriage will be strong and respectful. After this time, the groom's family formally asks for the bride's hand, bringing special gifts. This meeting, called the apthapi or irpaka, is a time for talking things over and becoming closer. When the gifts are accepted, it means they are officially engaged, and they celebrate with food and drinks. Padrinos, or godparents, are chosen to guide and help the couple, giving advice and helping with wedding costs. They help with money and also give spiritual support, offering advice and a safety net for the new couple. The community comes together for the wedding feast, with each family helping out in the spirit of Aini, which means giving back. This group effort makes sure there's a big party and makes community ties stronger. The days before the wedding are busy with getting things ready and lots of shared laughter. Everyone cares about the couple's happiness. These traditions build a strong marriage and a united community. In Bolivia, a wedding is built on being together from the very beginning. The wedding day mixes Catholic beliefs with old Andean traditions. It starts with a Catholic Mass where rings are given, promises are made, and blessings are received. Family and friends see this special promise. After the church, the party moves outside for an Andean ceremony led by a shaman or elder. A special table is set up with coca leaves, candies, and llama fat. Each thing means blessings for the couple. Prayers are offered to Pachamama and the mountain spirits for good fortune and peace. The couple shares a cup of chicha, which means their new life together. Then comes the Tinka ritual. Padrinos and parents throw flower petals and rice on the couple, wishing them lots of good things and happiness. Sometimes, a gentle symbolic whip reminds the couple of their duties. Guests pin money onto the couple's clothes, a helpful and meaningful gift for their future. This act of Aini shows that the community is invested in the couple doing well. The special ways of doing things are joyful, colorful, and full of meaning. Each tradition weaves the couple into the fabric of their community. Wedding clothes are a lively show of Bolivian culture. The bride might wear a white dress for church, then change into a colorful pollera, manta, and bowler hat for the party. The groom wears a suit and a traditional poncho or chulu, with woven patterns that tell stories of their family history. The food is plentiful. Spicy chicken stew, roasted pig, potatoes, corn, and chicha fill the tables. Sharing food is a way to thank guests and celebrate being together. Music and dance are at the heart of the party. Folk bands play morenada, caporales, and tinku, filling the air with energy. The couple's first dance, often a cueca, is a special moment. Handkerchiefs waving as they move around each other. The dance floor soon fills with family and friends, and the party can last until the sun comes up. Laughter, music, and friendly dance contests create an exciting atmosphere. Padrinos lead toasts, wishing the couple well with words and drinks. The party is loud, joyful, and something you won't forget. In Bolivia, a wedding is a festival for the whole community. Every part of a Bolivian wedding is full of meaning and hope. The special ways of doing things are like visible prayers offerings to Pachamama, ask for good land and a peaceful life. Sharing a cup of chicha means two lives are coming together. The idea of ayini, giving back, connects the community, as everyone gives and gets help. Pinning money and sharing food are ways of helping each other for the couple's future. These traditions teach that marriage is part of a bigger network of relationships and duties. Weddings help keep Bolivian identity alive, connecting us to our roots in a changing world. Choosing a traditional wedding is a proud way to show off our heritage. Bright clothes, old rituals, and folk music show our special culture. By celebrating this way, we pass our values to the next generation. A Bolivian wedding is a joyful way to celebrate life, love, and community. It's a promise between families and a celebration of being united. These traditions keep our culture strong, lively, and alive.